I welcome you in this session. Topic of this session is cooperative movement and its growth in India. And actually we know that there are a number of cooperative available in India, like consumer cooperative, fertilizer production cooperatives, the credit cooperative, and we started this cooperative movement in India in 1904 with the establishment of the rural credit society, agriculture credit society, and after that we have made tremendous growth in the cooperative sectors. We have a number of cooperative society, a number of large number we have cooperative society in the country. And in this session basically we are discuss about the different type of cooperative society we have, and also the different types of society, and then also the number. We will see the growth pattern of this cooperative society in India. And before that we will also understand the role of cooperative society in India. And the cooperative societies are formed for the to help the poor people in the country. Basically we have large number of poor, illiterate and unskilled people in the country, and this institution is basically the working type of this institution is basically based on the mutual help and sharing the efforts and fruits of the cooperative society in the country. And basically this concept of cooperative, they also help in the softening the class conflict and reduce the social cleavages and the social conflict between different sections of the society. And this concept also help in reducing the bureaucratic evils and foils of the political faction. The different political ideologies, they have different thinking. So this cooperative concept help in removing that foliage of political factions. Then they also help in overcoming the constraints of agriculture development, like we need various supply of inputs, we need to provide the farmers the credit. So all such problems is resolved with the help of the cooperative society. Then this cooperative society also help in creating the conducive environment for small and cottage industry in the country. Now we will move towards, we will learn about the spread of Indian movement. Actually this movement or cooperative movement is the oldest and largest movement in the world. We have tremendous growth in the cooperative sectors, and we have a membership of around 300 million. So around 300 million people are the member of the cooperative society in the country, and the number is very large. Like we have the 8,54,355 cooperative societies in the India, and we have 8 lakhs. So there is a tremendous growth in the sector. We have different types of cooperative society. 65% of the cooperatives are in agriculture marketing, credit and production cooperatives, and movement was formally established in India in the year 1904, and almost 100% villages in India have the existence of these cooperative organizations. And all types of farmers, they have reached with the cooperative organizations. And we have 3-4 layers of the cooperative organization in the country. At the grassroots level, we have the primary cooperative societies. Then this primary cooperative society connect with the district level cooperative society, and then district level cooperative society connect with the state level cooperative federations. And then we have at the national level cooperative federation, and we have the national level National Cooperative Union of India, and there are other business federations related to cooperatives are also there. So this National Cooperative Union of India is the national apex organization or national apex level institute which help in the which promoting the growth of the which are helping in the movement or progress of the cooperative society in India. And the government of India, the NABARD, National Cooperative Development Corporation, NCDC, they initiate and fund the promotional business activity of the cooperative sectors, and agriculture credit is supplied through the channel of the cooperative banks and primary level agricultural credit cooperatives, which are available in the rural area, in the district level and also in the state level. And cooperative bank system is the most widespread and is the largest in the world. Then when we see the infrastructure development or institutional development in the cooperative sectors, we have 17 national level business federation in the countries. Then we have prominent business cooperative societies like Milk Cooperative Society, the Fertilizers Cooperative Society is there, sugar production cooperative societies are there. Then we have the IPCO, which is the one of the biggest business cooperative society which is owned by the farmers, and this IPCO is having the 5 production units in the country, and it is one of the world largest fertilizer producing cooperatives in the world. And other prominent sectors which are dealt by the cooperative sector are the oil seed, rubber, coconut, horticulture cooperatives, and National Cooperative Union of India, which is the world largest cooperative movement which promoting the world largest cooperative movement in the country, which provide the education, training, support to the cooperative movement in India. Then before we see the growth of the cooperative sector, let us also see the scenario of agriculture in the country. Like we have the contribution from the agriculture sector, which is around 16.5% in the country. Then we have a number of critical changes in the agriculture sectors like access to credit, which is very limited, and then insurance cover is also a problem. Then irrigation facility need to be provided. Then issue of lower farm mechanization in the agriculture sector. These are some critical challenges which needs to be solved by the institutions who are supporting the agriculture development in the country. And so the cooperative sector is contributing in all such problems or in such critical challenges, and they are helping the Indian agriculture. Then the agriculture growth rate is 2.9% in the year 2018 and 19, and the livestock sector growth is around 18%. Then food processing sector growth is around 5%, and the country is providing the food subsidies, which is the 1,71,000 crore. And then they also see there some production data related to agriculture sector, like we have the milk production in the country, which is 187 million ton in the year 2018-19. Then we have total production of food grain, which is 284 million tons. Then pulses production is 25 million tons. The oilseed production is 31 million tons. Then fruit production is 97 million tons. Then vegetable production is 179 million tons. So we had tremendous growth in the agriculture sector also, and then we had tremendous growth in the cooperative sector also. Now let us see let us observe the movement in the Indian cooperative sectors, and some of the data are, this data is given for the year 2016 and 17, and we have the 8,54,355 number of cooperative in the country. Out of that, 52,000 cooperative societies are basically defunct or dormant, and out of this number 88,54,355, 1,77,605 are the credit cooperative societies, and it is around 20% of the total cooperative society. So we have around 20.8% credit cooperative societies in the countries out of total cooperative society. Then there are non-credit cooperative society, which is 6,76,750, around 80%, and then total membership of the cooperative society in the country is 290 million. So large number of people are the member of this cooperative society. And then the credit cooperatives, we have the membership of 206 million. Then non-cooperative credit cooperatives, we have the membership of 83 million in the country. Then the share capital of the all type of cooperatives at all level is the 4,06,887 million rupees, and the share capital of the primary non-credit cooperative society is around 1,31,000 million rupees, and then working capital in case of credit and non-credit society together, it is 1,25,36,000 million rupees. Now we have the tremendous institutions or organizations related to the cooperative in the country, like we have national level cooperative federation, which are 17 number. Then we have 390 state cooperative federations in the country. Then we have the 2,705 district level cooperative federation in the country. Then we have 1,435 multi-state cooperative society in the country. Then with regard to the primary agriculture credit societies, there are 97,961. Then out of that 64,438 cooperative society, this primary agriculture cooperative society PECs, they are viable, and around 18,000 PECs are they have the potential to be to become a viable primary agriculture cooperative society in the country, and around 6,44,458 villages have this presence of the primary agriculture credit cooperative society in the country, and the membership of this primary agriculture credit society is about 131 million in the country. Then the total paid up share capital of the PECs is rupees 1,41,000 million rupees, and then PECs, there are government participations also there. The government also have contributed in the primary agriculture credit society, which is 5.87%, and total deposit of the PECs is 8 lakhs 46 lakhs million rupees, and the storage capacity of the PECs in the year 2016 and 17, which is 6.26 million metric ton, which is 27% of the total storage capacity of the cooperative sector. Then total cooperative storage capacity is around 23 million ton in the country. Then this PECs, the primary agriculture credit society or the total cooperative sector, they have issued around 50% of the total Kisan credit card to them, and actually in the country we have issued so far 71.474 million Kisan credit card. Out of that, 50% is issued by the cooperative sectors, and the amount disbursed by the cooperative sector is amounted to rupees 14 lakhs 27,000 million rupees. Then now move to the contribution or share of the cooperative in the national economy, and actually almost all the village we have covered through the network of the cooperative society. 98% villages have the network of the presence of the cooperative society in the country, and the out of that rural network we have is the 90%. So 90% villages have the presence of the PECs, primary agriculture credit cooperative society, and total agriculture credit distributed in the country is the 13.4% of the total credit is distributed by the credit cooperative society in the country, and around 90% of short term credit is distributed to the small and marginal farmers, and then around the Kisan credit card, which is issued by the cooperative banks and the regional rural banks, which is about 67%. So 67% of the Kisan credit cards was issued together by the cooperative credit society and the regional rural bank in the country. Then around 50% of the total credit card, Kisan credit cards, are issued by the cooperative sectors. Then fertilizer distribution, lot of contribution from the cooperative sector. Around 35% of the total fertilizer is distributed through the cooperative society, and the production capacity, lot of contribution from the cooperative society. Around 25% of the total fertilizer production is from the fertilizer sectors, and in case of the nitrogen, we have 25.6% contribution from the cooperative society, and then in case of the phosphorus fertilizer, we have contribution of around 23.5% in the country. Then sugar production is the major contribution in the from the cooperative sectors. We have around 38.63% the sugar factories are from the cooperative sector. So around 284 sugar factory are installed by, or they are operated by the cooperative sectors, and 30% of the total sugar production in country is done by the cooperative sectors, and capacity utilization of the sugar mill by the cooperative is the 46%, and in case of milk also a lot of contributions from the cooperative sectors. The liquid milk production which is marketed by the cooperative sector, out of the total milk procured by the cooperative sector is 84%, and the milk procurement to total production. So, around 9.5% of the total milk production is procured by the cooperative sectors, and the around 17.5% of the total marketable surplus is procured by the cooperative sector. So, lot of contribution from the cooperative sector in the dairy sector, in the milk sectors. With regard to the storage facility, the contribution of the cooperative sectors, we have PEX is contributing a lot at the village level. Around total storage capacity which is available at the village level, the 55% is operated by the PEX, primary agriculture credit cooperative societies, and lot of contribution in the fisheries cooperative societies. Around 20% of the fishermen who are available, who are doing the fisheries activities, they are the member of the cooperative society, fisheries cooperative societies, and the around 13% of the wheat procurement is done by the cooperative society. In case of paddy procurement, around 20% of the paddy procurement is done by the cooperative society. Then we have the public distribution system in the country. Out of that, the actually government set up the different fair price shops in the rural area, in the urban area. Out of that, 20% of shops are set up at the basically on the cooperative societies. Then we have the textile industry. So, around 30% of the total textile units are operated by the cooperative sectors, and then around 30% of employment generated, in that there is a contribution of the cooperative society, which is around 13.3%. Here you can see the number of societies of cooperative sector which has increased over the period of time. In the year 1984-85, we have 315,000 cooperative society in the country. Now we have reached to the in the years 2016-17, we have reached to the 854,000 cooperative society in the country. So, within 30 years, we have seen more than 2.5 times increase in the number of cooperative society in the country. Then the membership of the cooperative society, there is a tremendous growth in the membership of the cooperative society. So, in 1984 we have 142 million cooperative members. Now we have the 290 million cooperative membership in the country. So, there are tremendous growth, more than double increase, more than double in the last 30 years in the number of the membership in the country. And then here in this slide you can see the contribution of, or the share of the credit cooperative society in the disbursement of the credit to the. So, around 15% contribution is done by the cooperative society in the country. And then here in this you can see the structure or the structure of the cooperative credit institution in the country in the year 2016 and 17. So, we have total number of credit cooperative society which is around 1 lakhs, and then out of that urban cooperative society we have 1,542, and we have the rural cooperative society more than 9 lakhs. So, in the case of urban cooperative banks, we have scheduled cooperative banks and non-scheduled cooperative banks. Then we have multi-state and the single state, two types of scheduled bank for the urban area. Then we have the non-scheduled bank, again is multi-state and the single state scheduled bank for the urban area. And in case of the rural area, rural cooperative, we have two types of system. One is the short-term system, another is the long-term system. So, the state cooperative banks we have 33, and then the district cooperative credit bank we have 3,700, and then we have the primary agriculture credit society which is 9,79,000 in the country. Then we have the long-term society at the state level and the at district level or taluka level. Then here you can see the number of sugar factory as on March 31, 2017. So, around very good contribution from the cooperative sectors, you can see in the slides. Then you can see the percentage of the cooperative sugar production from the total sugar production. So, there is a declining trend in sugar or the declining trend in the share of the sugar production from the cooperative sector. It was actually in 2009-10 there was a 46% contribution from the cooperative sectors. So, now it has reached to around 31% in the year 2016-17. Still very good contribution in the sugar production in the country from the cooperative sectors. Then growth of the dairy cooperative society, you can see like in the case of when we talk about the membership in the dairy cooperative, so very good trend actually you can see here in the in 2011-12 we have 148 million member in the dairy cooperative society. Then the number of the society in the dairy sector was 14.78 thousand, which has increased to the membership of the dairy cooperative society has increased to 177 million, and the number of cooperative society has increased to 16.28 thousand in the year 2016 and 17. Then here in this slide you can see the growth of the dairy cooperative in terms of the milk marketed by the cooperative society and the average milk procured by the cooperative society, and both the data are given in this slide. And in the year 2011-12 we have seen that the total milk marketed by the cooperative society was 22.94%, and the average milk procured by the cooperative sector was 28.7 million liter per day, and it has increased to in the year 2016-17 like 33 million kgs per day milk is marketed by the cooperative sector, and the 42 million liter per day average milk is procured by the cooperative sector in the year 2016-17. Then here we can see the production of the nitrogen from the nitrogen fertilizer from the cooperative sectors by the public sector, the private sector and the cooperative sector. So, there is a very good contribution from the cooperative sector in the year 2016-17. You can see it is about the cooperative sector production of the nitrogen fertilizer was 3,706,000 tons in the year 2016-17, and here you can see the production of the phosphorus fertilizer from the cooperative sector. So, 1,454 thousand tons of the phosphorus fertilizer was produced by the cooperative society. Then in case of fisheries cooperative also the number has increased over the period of times, and now we have the 20,000 fisheries cooperatives in the country. The membership of the fisheries cooperative society has also increased over the period of time. In 2015-16 we have 2.8 million membership in the country. Now it has reached to in 2017-8 the membership of the fisheries cooperative society is 3.2 million. Then in case of consumer cooperative society also there is a very good growth. We have the membership of now 8.61 million in the cooperatives, in the consumer cooperative societies, and then the consumer cooperatives society in number when we talk about we have around 26,000 consumer cooperative society in the country in the year 2016-17, and we have the very good growth in also the marketing cooperative society also. So, number now is in the year 2016-17 is 7,399 number, and the membership of the marketing cooperative society is 7.41 million in the year 2016-17. So, very good growth over the period of time you can see in the graph. And now we can sum up this session that cooperative contribute a lot in the overall economic development of our society, particularly in the rural communities, particularly in the agriculture sectors, and cooperative movement is spreading in all aspects of life, being the consumer goods, being the supply of the fertilizer to the farmers, being the production of the fertilizer also, the credit also, and there are many other services which are provided by the cooperative society in the agriculture sector and the rural sector, and all types of cooperative exhibiting very good growth in the they are moving very forward, and some of them are performing very good in the country. They are serving the different sector of the agriculture and providing the technology, they providing the input to the agriculture sector, and also they are helping the consumer in the country, and their contribution is unparallelable in the economy, because cooperative is the third most sectors after the public and private sector which are contributing in the economic development of the country. Thank you.